Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to take hyaluronic acid supplements. To begin, most people start with a daily dose of 100 to 200 milligrams, often split into two doses. These supplements are widely available in capsule or tablet form, making them easy to incorporate into your routine. Always check the product label for specific instructions, as concentrations can vary between brands. Consistency is key for experiencing the full benefits. For optimal absorption, it's generally recommended to take your hyaluronic acid supplement with a meal. This can also help prevent any mild stomach discomfort. Consider pairing it with vitamin C, which is known to support collagen synthesis and can amplify the benefits for your skin. Remember, hyaluronic acid works by drawing moisture, so staying well hydrated by drinking plenty of water is essential for its effectiveness. Hyaluronic acid offers several benefits, notably improving skin hydration and elasticity, which can reduce the appearance of fine lines. Many also experience enhanced joint lubrication and comfort. While generally safe, some individuals might experience mild stomach upset or, rarely, an allergic reaction. It's always wise to speak with your doctor before adding any new supplement to your regimen, particularly if you have underlying health conditions or are taking other medications. To truly see results, consistency is paramount. Aim for daily intake for at least 8 to 12 weeks before evaluating its full impact. Complement your supplement routine with a balanced diet, focusing on foods rich in antioxidants and healthy fats, which can work synergistically with hyaluronic acid. And speaking of smart choices, check out the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Remember, patience and a holistic approach will yield the best outcomes for your health.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.